Hi there, I'm James. Welcome back with the Online Radio Training School, continuing our series on how to use Audacity software for radio. In any voice recording, there are always loud parts and quiet parts. Have a look at this recording on the screen. This is the recording that we edited back in video 8. It is the Destiny Books ad. As you can see, there are some parts that are loud and some parts that are quieter. But we need to make all of the volumes even so that the voice can be clearly heard on radio, especially when played over the top of music. In Audacity, we use a function called compression to even up the voice volume and then to make the voice as loud and as strong as possible. Come with me to the screen. Let's see how we do it. The first thing we do is to highlight the audio recording. A double click will do that. Remember, of course, we are on the selection tool, which is F1 on your keyboard. Under Effects, we go to Compressor. There are lots of settings here. I leave it at the default because it's quite a good setting, so don't play with any of these unless you are very experienced with compression. And there are two boxes at the bottom. Please tick both of those. This one will compress the audio, which means it will make things a lot more even between the high points and the low points. And this one will then make the recording as loud as possible at the end. Watch what happens when we click OK. Let's have a listen to this recording. Now we've compressed it.
The bad guy does something bad. The good guy tracks him down, gets rid of the bad guy, gets the girl, then final curtain.
Just to compare, I can use this back arrow.
The bad guy does something bad. The good guy tracks him down.
You'll see that the audio peaks are far more even and much louder. Let's listen one more time.
The bad guy does something bad. The good guy tracks him down, gets rid of the bad guy, gets the girl, then final curtain.
I think you'll agree with me that what compression does is it not only evens up the volume and makes it louder, but it also makes the voice sound richer and stronger. Of course, don't forget to save. Remember, it is File. Do not hit Save. Of course, go to Export and replace your original recording. All the best with that. I recommend you compress every voice recording that you make. But here is one little hint. If there are any quiet sounds, the compressor will make those louder. So I suggest you do noise removal before you do compression. Join us for video 10 in this Audacity series, where we are going to learn how to add effects to a voice recording. I'll spot you then, and till then, happy broadcasting.